Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Solutions. New at our channel? Please subscribe to be a part of us. Let's dig in. Do you want to install PlayOnLinux on your Ubuntu? PlayOnLinux is a piece of software which allows you to easily install and use numerous games and apps designed to run with Microsoft Windows on your Linux. Sounds interesting, isn't it? Let's know how we can install PlayOnLinux on our handsome Ubuntu Linux. Open Terminal app on your Linux. First, do an apt update. This is mandatory. Please do not skip this step. Done updating? Use sudo apt install to install PlayOnLinux on your Ubuntu. Allow the installation with a yes. Please be patient during install and do not exit in haste. This may take a couple of minutes to download and install. Installation is done. You can start PlayOnLinux right from in here. Type PlayOnLinux in your terminal and hit enter and you are good to go. Embrace your PlayOnLinux app on your Linux. The application interface is clean and fast and low on System Vitals. You can see the installed version of PlayOnLinux as well. You can also add particular wine version in your PlayOnLinux app. You can click on Install a program on left of your screen to see the list of programs and application compatible with PlayOnLinux. You can install any of them or even all of them if you're like. You can also start PlayOnLinux from the Applications menu. So install now and take the benefit. Happy learning. Anything to ask further? Comment it. Thanks for watching. Good day.